Hi, girl, you just got in my eyes. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your numbers. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it's so cute. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you, but you be the other one, so we won't do. These old days on a lucky chance that you would rather identify. You and I would be like sunny chairs, sunny bedroom. You and I would be like the light and jasmine. Let's make it happen. La 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 la. Hey, I know it's been a while. I touch it till it's been on my mind, and it's thousand smiles. Sorry, I know that line of style, but you look so beautiful on this starry night. Loving the way the moonlight touches your eyes and you smile. I'm captivated, your beauty is timeless, never updated. I don't know why I'm drawn to you, but you be the other one, so equal to. These old days on the lucky chance that you would rather try. You and I would be like sunny chairs, sunny bedroom. You and I would be like a Aladdin and Jasmine. Same thing it happen now. La 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 la.